Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into the world of winds and sharing some incredible trivia that you probably never knew.
Did you know that the fastest wind speed ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour during Cyclone Olivia in 1996? The term wind comes from the Old English word wind, which means air in motion.
Winds are classified by their strength and their direction.
Wind has been used as a source of energy for thousands of years, initially in the form of sailboats.
The Beaufort wind scale is used to estimate wind speed based on observed sea conditions or land objects.
Trade winds played a crucial role in historical maritime navigation, helping ships travel from Europe to the Americas and back.
The roaring 40s are strong westerly winds found in the southern hemisphere between the latitudes of 40 and 50 degrees. A zephyr is a gentle west wind derived from Zephyrus, the Greek god of the west wind. Santa Ana wines in Southern California are notorious for their hot and dry nature, often exacerbating wildfires.
Dust devils are small, rotating columns of air that are visible because of the dust and debris they pick up.
A prevailing wind is one that blows predominantly from a single general direction over a particular point on Earth's surface.
Wind can cause erosion and has significantly shaped many world landscapes, including the Grand Canyon.
The Mistral is a strong, cold northwesterly wind that blows through the Rhône Valley and southern France.
Wind turbines convert kinetic energy from the wind into electrical power.
The highest wind speed ever recorded on Mount Everest was 175 miles per hour. Katabatic winds occur when air flows downhill, typically bringing cold air down the slopes of mountains.
Windsocks are used at airports to indicate the direction and strength of the wind.
Iceland is known for its strong gusty winds and is considered one of the windiest places on Earth.
Samum is a strong, dry, dust-laden wind that blows in the Sahara, Palestine, Israel, Jordan, Syria, and the deserts of the Arabian Peninsula.
The jet stream is a fast-flowing river of air found in the atmosphere at around 12 kilometers above the surface of the Earth.
Anemometers are instruments used to measure wind speed and direction.
The harmattan is a dry and dusty trade wind that blows from the Sahara over the western African subcontinent. Wind chill temperature is the perceived decrease in air temperature felt by the body on exposed skin due to the flow of air.
Cyclones are large-scale air masses that rotate around a strong center of low atmospheric pressure.
The doldrums are a low-pressure area around the equator where prevailing winds are calm.
Winds can transport seeds and pollen, aiding in plant reproduction.
The Bora is a cold, northerly wind blowing from the Hungarian plain to the Adriatic Sea.
Wind erosion can create structures such as mesas, buttes, and arches.
Typhoons and hurricanes are essentially the same weather phenomenon, but typhoons occur in the Northwest Pacific Ocean.
The sirocco is a Mediterranean wind that comes from the Sahara and can reach hurricane speeds in North Africa and southern Europe.
Airflows in the atmosphere are known to shift significantly with changes in ground elevation.
The clear gap beneath a cumulonimbus cloud is often a sign of impending storms and strong winds.
In myth, it was believed that Hermes, the Greek god of trade and travel, controlled the winds.
The name of the monsoon wind system is derived from the Arabic word mawsum, meaning season.
Urban areas create their own wind patterns and often experience stronger winds called urban wind.
Wind energy currently produces about 4% of the world's electricity.
Mountain ranges influence wind patterns significantly, creating phenomena such as the Föhn wind.
Wind farms offshore harness stronger winds than those on land, making them more efficient. At Jupiter's equator, the wind speed in the upper atmosphere can reach up to 224 miles per hour.
Well, that's it for today's incredible trivia on gusty winds. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating videos.